I've been investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF VOO for the past 2 years, 6 months, and 3 weeks now, achieving a 30.3% return rate so far. If you are thinking about investing in the S&P 500 but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Let me walk you through how my portfolio has been doing over the past 2 weeks. The market performance during the holidays, they were pretty plain overall. In the first week, the S&P 500 ticked up by 0.7%, which was a nice touch, but the next week, it dropped 0.5%, taking some of that gain back. A lot of people were hoping for the famous Santa Claus rally, where the market tend to pick up during the holidays, but this year, Santa must be on vacation because the rally was a no-show. But it's no big deal. If there's one major takeaway I learned from my investing journey, it's patience. Sometimes you have to sit tight and wait. Who knows, maybe Santa will finally show up next year. For now, all I need to do is stick into my plan. I made my regular $50 weekly purchase of VOO shares on December 26 at 2:16 p.m., followed by another on January 2nd at 8:35 a.m. Altogether, I've accrued 15.9 shares, now worth $86.67. That's an unrealized profit of 2017, or a 30.3% return rate. Here's a quick look at my overall investing record so far. Even though the last 2 weeks were a little choppy, 2024 turned out to be an incredible year overall. The S&P 500 grew over 20%, which is just mind-blowing for a broad market index. What's even crazier is that this year's price appreciation accounts for roughly 70% of my total profit so far. If you've been around this channel for a while, you've probably heard me say this more than once. We can't expect a year like 2024 to come around too often. A 20% yearly return is pretty much a once-in-a-blue-moon scenario. But if we stick to our game plan, those occasional boost years will bring some really nice surprises to us. That's everything. If you are new to investing and want to give a shot with a small starting fund, why not join me on this journey? All it takes is just $50 a week, a little bit consistency, and some patience. If I can do it, you can do it even better. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.